Next topic is value annotation. So what is value annotation? Value annotation could be used on fields, methods, and parameters to specify the default value, or you can even specify the value from a properties file. Okay, so these are examples. Suppose we have a class, and we have these fields in those classes, like a some word, some number, username, and things like that. So if I want to provide a default value to some words, then I can use @value annotation. Same thing with the value 25. And again, you can see this is actually being type conversion is automatically happening from 25 to int type, 25 string type to int type. And you can even actually access some kind of properties file. In this case, is a system property contains the username, so you could actually assign the default value to these fields. So that's value annotation. So let's take a look at value annotation. So let's run value. Yeah, let's stop the existing server. Value annotation, Java application, and the main. Okay, it's done. So it just displayed some words: live your life with passion. 25. Username is Sang, and your name is Mary John. So this is pretty much the same thing that I showed you in the slide. So we have we have a property source here. So we have config properties file. So if you take a look at the config properties file here, so we have a config properties file, and your name is Mary Jones. Okay, so I can assign some values to some words, some number, and this is from a system property. That is in fact the username of a system property. So I could actually extract the system property of username and assign to username as well. And this is a case that I'm getting that value from the properties file. Okay, so here your name is Mary Jones. Okay, and then basically in this method we just add these values as an attribute, and then return about page, and about page is just displaying those model attribute. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And let's see, yeah, we talked about that. So for your exercise, I want you to add hobby and then reflect that. Okay, I'm gonna just save